Good morning, all of you. Hope you all are fine. Let's move on to writing skills of chapter number 6. Because there are two diary entries of this chapter, and both are supposed to be done in your English Fair notebook. Okay? Imagine that you are the narrator, that is Somras Mogum. Write a diary entry expressing your plans on how you hope to manage the budget of the entire month. See, beta, when you left the restaurant as Somras Mogum, you spent all the 80 francs that you had in the restaurant to please the lady. And when you came out of the restaurant, you were left with no money. Okay, and you had the whole month before you, and so how you managed to manage the budget of the entire month. Now, first of all, date is there, beta. You are supposed to learn the format of date, that is month, date, and year. Then on the left side, date should be written, and on the right side, a positive date, time should be written, beta. Please make a correction over here. By mistake, it was done like this. Okay. Then day is there, Tuesday. देखो बेटा मैंने ना डेट लिखा, DATE DAYTIME नहीं लिखा, आपको भी नहीं लिखना है. ठीक है. टुडे इज़ द अनफर्गेटेबल डे, मेमोरेबल डे, हैप्पीएस्ट डे. ओके. टुडे इज़ द वर्स्ट डे, आप कह सकते हो. ठीक है. टुडे इज़ द अनफर्गेटेबल डे ऑफ माई लाइफ, जो मैं कभी नहीं भूल सकता. इन द मॉर्निंग आई वॉज वेरी हैप्पी बिकॉज आई वॉज गोइंग टू हैव लंच एट फॉइट्स, बट द लंच एंड मीटिंग प्रूव टू बी एन अनप्लेजेंट एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ माई लाइफ. मुझे तो मैं बहुत खुश था कि आई एम गोइंग टू फॉइट्स टू मीट माई फीमेल फैन. But this meeting, rather than being happy from this meeting, I was rather fed up, or you can say this meeting gave me an unpleasant experience of my life, which I can never forget. I had never imagined that I would have to spend all the 80 francs that I had. Basically, the narrator planned that he would have to spend at least 15 to 16 francs to please the lady for luncheon, for a simple lunch. But he was unaware that the lady was going to order so many expensive dishes, and he had to spend the entire amount he was having in his pocket. Now, I must now find out ways to manage my budget for the entire month. Now, as he was left with no money, so he had to plan some certain things to manage his budget for the entire month. Now, what he's doing, he is going to cut short his meals first. I can cut off coffee, that would save 20 francs. Then now he's planning to cut short coffee, that would save him 20 francs. So that francs is a currency. As you have rupees, they have francs. Okay. Beta, no gap is there in the diary entry. Just simply after francs, write the next paragraph. This paragraph only. Breakfast can be prepared in the apartment. See, when you have enough money, you just enjoy relish food outside also from your home, है ना. But when your resources are meager, आपके पास बहुत कम पैसा होता है, you prepare the food at your home, by which I can save another 10 francs. So I would take out 20 francs kept in reserve for the rainy days. Maybe he had saved some money, and that's why he was planning to take out that money. Even I would request my publisher to give me some advance. Even I would request my publisher to give me some advance, which I would pay later on, and I would borrow some money from my friends also, which I would try to return in the next month. That means अपने फ्रेंड से भी कुछ पैसे उधार ले लूँगा और नेक्स्ट मंथ उनको दे दूँगा. आई एम श्योर इन दिस वे आई वुड बी एबल टू मैनेज एंटायर मंथ. तो मैं पूरा मंथ इस तरह मैनेज कर लूँगा. द गुड विल एंड जनरॉसिटी ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स विल बी सीन थ्रू दिस हार्ड टाइम. कहते मेरे फ्रेंड्स के कितने कितने अच्छे दोस्त हैं, कितने सच्चे दोस्त हैं, वो इसी टाइम चेक होगा. हाउ? सी बेटा, आपके पास जब मनी होता है, सो ऑल आर योर फ्रेंड्स. But when you are in need of money, and when you ask money from your friends, and when they support you, they are your real friends. Otherwise, the ones who just spend money on with you, your money with you, they are not your true friends. They are flatterers basically. I will manage everything, but I can never forget that woman in my life. तो मैं सब कुछ बियर कर सकता हूँ, लेकिन क्या नहीं कर सकता उस और लेडी को, जो जिसने मुझे इतनी हार्डशिप्स दी हैं लाइफ की, वो कभी बियर नहीं कर सकता हूँ. Let's move on to second diary entry. Write a diary entry expressing your satisfaction on observing the woman put on a lot of weight in the second meeting. See, beta, when Benita met the lady after 20 years in her play, he saw that the lady was had put on so much weight, and he was feeling very happy on seeing her. Why? Because uh, he thought that nature had taken the revenge as she had put on a lot of weight. Okay, first of all, day and time. Then today I'm feeling very happy. Today feeling very satisfied. In the morning when I went to see the play, there I saw a woman who beckoned me during the first hour of the play. बेकन का मीनिंग होता है बेटा कॉल्ड, उसने मुझे बुलाया था फर्स्ट आवर ऑफ द प्ले, पहले ही प्ले के इंटरवल से पहले। द वुमन, बेटा यहाँ पे वॉज कर लीजिएगा। The woman was none other than who had met me and spent all the 80 francs that I had. कहते वो लेडी मुझे मिली थी और उसने मुझे सारे पैसे मेरे खर्च करा दिए थे। All the memories of 20 years back came into my mind. 20 साल पहले की जितनी भी मेरी मेमोरीज थी वो सब रिवाइव हो गई उसको देखते ही। When I had an uninteresting and unforgettable luncheon with her. जब मैंने उसके साथ क्या कहता कभी ना भूलने वाला और अनइंटरेस्टिंग, जो मुझे बिल्कुल भी इंटरेस्टिंग लंच नहीं लगा था। वाई? बिकॉज ही वॉज डिसअपॉइंटेड टू सी द लेडी and her and moreover she ordered so many dishes that this thing the leader took him as uninteresting. You're not supposed to leave gap over here. In continuation you are supposed to write the woman is now 60. Now she's of when they met her for the first time she was 40 years, and after 20 years of course she is 60 years old, and she has put on so much weight that she looks really ugly. अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा मोटे हो जाओ तो आप बहुत गंदे लगते हो। She weighs approximately 21 stones. Beta, 1 stone is equal to 6.35 kg. So in multiplication, 133 kgs approximately she was. अब 133 kgs का डेफिनेटली कोई भी क्यों ना होगा वो बहुत हेल्दी लगेगा। आई नो लॉन्गर रिग्रेट द सेलमन। मुझे अब कोई सैल्मन जो उसने खाई, द एस्पैरागस खाए, कैवियर खाए, द पीचेस दैट शी एट एट माई कॉस्ट। मुझे बिल्कुल भी अब पछतावा नहीं हो रहा कि तू इतनी सारी चीज़ें क्यों खाई। आई नो लॉन्गर रिग्रेट द हार्डशिप्स फेस्ड इन मैनेजिंग दैट मंथ्स बजट 20 ईयर्स अगो। और 20 साल पहले जो मुझे मुश्किलों का सामना करना पड़ा मैं उसे भी कभी नहीं भूलूंगा। आई एम ग्लैड दैट आई हैव हैड माई रिवेंज एट लास्ट बाय द हेल्प ऑफ नेचर एंड टाइम। तो फाइनली मैंने अपना बदला पूरा कर लिया। कैसे? नेचर ने और टाइम ने उसको क्या कर दिया, एक्सेसिव हेल्दी कर दिया है। एंड दैट्स हाउ आई हैड माई रिवेंज एज शी लुक्स रियली अगली नाउ। I hope you are clear with the above diary entries. Please write both the diary entries in your English A notebook and learn them too. Take care of yourself and goodbye and have a nice day.